In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the Wi-Fi, SSID, and password for the GoPro Hero3 Plus Black Edition, although this should work just the same way for the Silver Edition. I found it pretty frustrating trying to follow the instructions on the GoPro site, so here's how it actually works. First, let's download the latest firmware. You're going to need this even if your GoPro is already up to the latest version. So in your browser, paste in that URL. And then in my case, I've got the black, so I'm going to click on this guy. And there's a download button that pops up here. It's downloading this 13 meg file. And then what I'm going to do is show in folder. And here we have it. Now right click on your disk, your C drive, and click on show more options, new folder. And we're going to call this one GoPro. Then go back to your downloads directory, right click on the downloaded file, and we're going to say extract all. We're going to browse, and we're going to extract into the GoPro folder. Select the folder and say extract. Now when we go back to the GoPro folder, you're going to see one called update. Open up update, and here we're going to do two things. In the update11.txt, we're going to replace this with the following text. Just delete all that, enter this text, and then save it. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to create a new file, choose a text document, rename this to settings.in. Make sure you delete the .txt at the end. It's going to give you a message saying if you change it, it may become unusable. That's fine, yes. If that goes to white like this, right, then just right click on it and say open with, and then choose Notepad from the list that pops up. Okay. Now open up the settings.in file, and we're going to add in this text. And here where it says SSID, that's your Wi-Fi broadcast. We're going to change that in this case from my GoPro to MarksGoPro. And the password, we're going to put in a top secret password called Victory 2022. All right, save that file. Close it. You can reopen it again just to check it's correct. And this is going to write to the GoPro and change the SSID or the broadcast address to MarksGoPro, and the password is going to be this Victory 2022. Now you're going to take your SD card and the adapter and slide it into your computer. And you're going to see it pop up here as your SD card. So from the GoPro directory, right click and say copy the update folder, the whole folder. Go down to your SD card and then right click and paste the folder. Okay. Now you'll have a folder called update on the SD card. Eject your SD card, take out the micro SD card or the adapter, place it in the GoPro. The GoPro must be powered off and the Wi-Fi off. Place it in the GoPro, and then power on your GoPro. And what you're going to see is this little icon saying updating. Mine's really quick because I've already done the upgrade once. And now it's up and running. But what you will see when you do the upgrade for the first time is it will start and stop 3 or 4 times, beep, 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 before finally coming online. Then what you can do is click on the Wi-Fi, start it up. And now we're ready for just about the last step. Go to your Wi-Fi on the computer, select Wi-Fi, and you will now see one called MarksGoPro. And we connect to that. Enter the password, click on connect. And you can see we are now connected to MarksGoPro. So in this final segment, we're going to launch the Quick app out of the App Store. And then we're going to click on Camera, connect to a GoPro, We'll select our Hero 3 Plus, click Continue, go to Settings, and you can see on the Wi-Fi we're going to find MarksGoPro. It doesn't prompt me for a password because I've already connected to this Wi-Fi network before. Go back to Settings, go back to GoPro, pairing, and it's going to give us an error here because it will not let us pair when the GoPro is already recording. So I'm going to stop recording. I'm going to click on Connect. So as soon as I hit Connect, once I turn the recording off on the GoPro, you can now see I've got my video feed, my Wi-Fi connected to my iPhone. Hope this is useful. Leave comments, any questions. Bye for now.